So just what you were listening for, the phrasing was excellent.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh, every phrase had a high point and then it tapered.
Yay.
Beautiful. So how are you doing that? Are you just singing it in your head while you're playing it? Or you
Yeah,
just,
yeah, I think just thinking about it really,
yeah,
yeah. And I
yeah.
found myself like moving more like side to side or
Right.
forward and
Yeah.
backwards, and I think that maybe helped.
Oh, of course, just moving with the music all the time. Good for you.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And I really liked how you didn't end every line in a
Yeah,
cadence.
thanks.
Wonderful. So let's go ahead. And I can't really tell from Zoom, but I want to make sure that when you're at the end of a line, that you pick up both of your hands at the same time. I think
Okay.
sometimes you like to hold on to your right hand because it just moves us into the next line so beautifully.
Hmm.
But I think you could just elegantly lift up both of your hands and go into the next line. Okay. So do you want
All
to
right.
play something like on the second page? That seems like it was a good place to try that.
Or yeah.
Yeah. Yes, good. All right, that's fine. So in the beginning, it's funny how you were so consistent. Both questions you wanted at the end of those phrases. So in the beginning of each of those phrases, can you imagine, let's say let's say Molly walked in the room without you really knowing it. Because I saw
Mhm.
Molly walk in and she was lying by you, which was really cute. And then I looked
Mhm.
up and I thought, oh, Molly's there. So at the beginning of each of those lines, can you make it seem like Molly is just quietly coming in the room? So I think you could make it even more intimate, a little bit more quiet. And then you could also do the same thing at the end of each line. Okay.
All right.
All right, let's try those two lines. Yes, good. So you can keep working on that just so that it's very smooth and kind of kind of just a little it's a smiling little secret, right?
All right.
Yeah, it's very wonderful. Good. And then there was just one trill that I think you could have played even more clearly. And where do you think that trill
Mm.
was?
I remember one. Was it like in 40?
Was it 40? I thought it was actually pretty fine in 40. No, I thought you were good at
Okay.
40. No, I thought it was either I think it was the one in 15. So, which means you could take more
Okay.
time, right? Da da dum, da 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 dum, make it more melodious, just like you were
Hmm.
singing every single note. Yes, that's perfect. That's perfect. Gosh, so elegantly played, John.
Yay.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so then the next thing on our list is